Once again, German police were working through the night, slowly and steadily clearing away protesters who were trying to block a shipment of nuclear waste. Since the containers left a reprocessing plant in France Friday, demonstrators had been concentrating on stopping a train carrying the so-called castor containers. They'd shifted their attention from the rails to the roads late Monday, trying to interfere as much as possible with the final leg of the journey by trucks from a rail depot in DANNENBERG to a storage facility in GORLEBEN. The activists had been galvanized after the German government voted to extend the life of the country's atomic power plants beyond an original cutoff date set for 2021. Police eventually moved all the protesters, and the trucks did get rolling away from the depot in the morning with a heavy guard along the route. Over the whole trip, some 20,000 police had been needed to shield the nuclear material from interference. As the shipment was nearing its final destination, Greenpeace spokesman TOBIAS RIEDL was expressing mixed feelings, though he pointed up what its opponents had been able to accomplish.
A bit disappointing to see the nuclear transport now going the way, but in the whole, it's a big success for the nuclear movement and for Greenpeace the last days and hours.
There were minor scuffles in some of the towns near the storage facility. Police were chasing small groups of protesters off the road ahead of the convoy and claiming that some of them were being aggressive. But in the end, the trucks did make it to the storage facility, itself a target of criticism because activists say it poses a safety risk just as the transport containers do. And protesters vowed to be back next year when the next load of waste was due to move. They say as long as Germany puts off closing its nuclear power plants, they'll do their best to delay the shipments. Karen Sloan, The Associated Press.